did it. I killed that fucking get freak. Oh, boy. Hey, Sonic, what's going on? Nothing much, Tails. Nothing much. Why is there a knife here? There was this one-eared rabbit tail. Well, you know. So I thought I was gonna. So I grabbed that knife right there, and then I stabbed that rabbit until he was dead. Really? Yeah. Jeez, that must have been. I wonder where this red chocolate came from. Oh, I forgot it's Easter. Oh boy, do I love Easter. It's the day where you go Easter egg hunt. You find tons of candy. Too bad that we couldn't go. Yeah, we overslept. Yeah, you guys didn't know what you were missing. It was pretty. We didn't know. Oh, it was Easter today? Yeah, we forgot. What? Oh, Easter is pretty. Happy Easter. Who the fuck are you? I'm the Easter rabbit. I thought the Easter rabbit was some huge rabbit. Well, yeah, that's how. I have to go. Jeez, if you guys don't want huge chocolate rabbits, you can just ask me to. And by the way, that would be, me, Easter. Wait, are you Sonic the Hedgehog? Yes. I heard about that Sonic art and what happened to you. Is it true that you, Tails, Knuckles, Amy, and Metal Sonic all only survived? Jeez, you sound like a reporter, but yes, it's true. It's all true. Oh, God. I don't ever want to hear Sonic here. Can't even feel the sunshine anymore. Because if I do, all it will just remain. It's just horrible. What you guys talking about? Nothing. Where else to go? Can I see with you? I'm sure but on one condition. You have to never mind, you can just wait. Only if you give us free candy for all the Easters. Sir, you guys got yourself a deal. Hooray! We got the Easter Bunny living with us. Sonic plushie is new. Actually, since you're like little, you're kind of an art group. And what would that be? Sonic plushies. Cool name. Thank you. I made it up myself. Oh, so does that mean I'm a young Sonic plushie? Well, technically, since you're not a plushie, but we have exceptions. So yeah, you are Sonic plushie. A young Sonic plushie, exact. Why? Me? And I can't believe I'm a reincarnation of a rat. Like him. What do you mean reincarnation of a rat? It's Sonic. Nothing, Tails. Nothing. Alright.